Marcus met a man at a laundromat at 2 a.m. Not drunk, not homeless, just calm. The machines were loud, the street outside was empty, and this man looked untouched by time. Marcus asked, "What do you do?" The man said, "Nothing, now." But his hands were scarred, not from accidents, from years of building things nobody saw, projects that failed, businesses that died, efforts that paid nothing, until one day they did. Later that night, Marcus searched passive income, screens filled with beaches, laptops, smiling faces pretending money floats in by itself. Here's the truth nobody admits. There is no passive income at the beginning. There is only lonely income. Work that doesn't clap back. Effort that feels stupid. Progress so slow it insults your ego. Half solution? Build something that can outlive your attention. Accept seasons where motion has no reward. Let time become your employee instead of your executioner. But here's the part nobody survives hearing. Most people quit right before effort turns into leverage, and some never quit. They just stay busy forever. So tell me, if income only becomes passive after you stop needing proof, what kind of work are you willing to do when nobody is watching?